It's a typical basic trigonometric ratio because it's a rectangle. That's why we have 90 degree. So we can just simply apply sine, cosine, tangent ratio. And then afterward, we are talking about two triangle. The first triangle should include the line CE. So we are talking about this triangle. And then the second triangle, we need to include the line AC. So this right angle triangle. And then we have to find the connection between them. These two triangles, even though none of their side are the same, but this length is equal to this length, so they are somehow connected. And then from one of our targets CE, we can connect to this line. That's why we the same as this line, and then by using alpha, I can connect it together with AC. That's how we connect CE and AC into one equation. Then we can write down their ratio afterwards. So looking at the red triangle first, right angle beta, and then this is our target CE. And then I want to connect to this line X. So observing this triangle, we have to this angle, we have adjacent, we have hypotenuse. We should use cosine ratio. Cosine beta is equal to X divided by CE. And our target is X, so that I can bring it downward here. So make X be the subject. CE cosine beta is equal to X. This is CE cosine beta. After that, we just focus on the blue triangle now, with alpha CE cosine beta and our target AC. Again, to this angle, this is adjacent. To this angle, this is hypotenuse. We should use cosine ratio again. So cosine alpha is equal to adjacent sine divided by hypotenuse. And then our target is make CE over AC be the subjects. So I just need to remove cosine beta here. Then I have our target already. So CE over AC is equal to cosine alpha divided by cosine beta. By this calculation, we get the answer directly, which is B. So every time in your calculation, make sure you separate to two right angle triangle, and then before you really start your calculation, you should have the procedure in your mind from one line how it can be connected to the another target line, so that you can form equations.